Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Beautiful day out here in Georgia, man. The weather is perfect. This is perfect weather. So anyway, we're out here in Grayson, Georgia. This is a new client that found me online. I came out earlier this week, did an in-home consultation. He actually booked it on my website. It was $125, but that does come off their bill when they book the appointment. So anyway, when I looked at the floor this morning for one of my repeat clients, she had somebody drug something across her floor and caused these deep scratches. So those boards need to be sanded. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, we have a hand scrape floor with a lot of missing, not a lot, but it has some missing color, which you're about to see. So on this floor, we're just going to be doing a screen and a recoat with color correction, no UV cure. This is a little bit over 700 square feet. With the color correction, it's $3 a square foot. Let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so we are in Grayson, Georgia. I am literally about maybe 15 minutes from my shop. So we're not far away. And just looked at the schedule for next week. Already got 5 on the books for next week. And also, I think 4 in-home consultations next week, the week before Thanksgiving. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing. This is my client. They're putting this house on the market. Floors are not too bad, but again, nice screen and recoat. It's going to help. So we got this potty room, this area right here, this area right here, the kitchen. Floors are definitely kind of uneven. It kind of slopes down. The worst part right here, guys, is over here. See all that missing color? They tried to attempt to do it themselves, but it caused some type of reaction. So we just want to knock that down, color correct this to the best of our ability. Then we got this whole open area right here, which isn't too bad. Got a little missing veneer in certain areas. We want to touch that up. Also some missing veneer right here. Also, again, guys, they had where the tape came up. So again, when you put tape on floors, it will pull that finish off. Also, you see where the tape pulled up right here, okay? Then you got this dining room, not too bad. Also, you got a few areas where the tape pulled up the finish. So again, I do tell clients, if you leave that tape down too long, it will pull that finish up. Got a few areas we're gonna color correct right here. All right, guys, so we're going ahead and get started and come back.
Tell you, Atlanta in the house. Truman Hardwood on the rise. One day shine, baby. Look at these floors come alive. Courtney Lee in Atlanta, laying down that groove with the Recoat, got the ultra UV move. Same day service, watch the magic unfold. From worn out wood to a shine pure gold. Say your floor secure, one day cure, yeah that's right. Higher rise, kids, dolls, back on tonight. Hold down time, no town time, no waiting, that's the deal. Pull your Truman Hardwood, baby, we keep it real. Oh, got that ultra UV light, shining strong and bright, locking in that finish, floor secure all night. From Buckhead to Midtown, we bringing that soul. One day Recoat system, put you back in control.
Oh, gas keys rolling, baseline low.
Atlanta shine, let the hardwood glow.
Put the faith in the craft, let the world just see.
Courtney Lee got the cure, it's a guarantee.
All your floors.
So we are done. Client's very, very happy. That color correction did come out good, guys. Look at that. Shout out to Tavares. He did the color correction. And I did the little touch-ups throughout the floor. Oh, yeah, that does look better. Oh, yeah. Now, also, too, guys, what my client was telling me is that he had a quote to get the floor sanded, $8,000 to $10,000. The sanding guy, I forgot his name, but he recommended me to Corey, who is the guy that's turning this house. And Corey said, yeah, Courtney, yeah, I got a quote, $8,000 to $10,000, and he told me to call you because it was way out of budget, and just wanted to make the floors look better for resale. So that's what we did, guys. So we're gonna have Corey come in here and check it out. But yeah, that does look a whole lot better. Oh yeah. Well, thank you, man. I appreciate that. Came out really good. And what was the guy? What was the sanding guy that you said gave you my
His name is Cliff. Hang on a second.
Cliff? Okay. And he said $8,000 to $10,000 to sand the floor.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Well, because of the
Yeah,
hand screw,
yeah,
you have to do it like 5 times.
Oh yeah, yep. Oh, well, tell him I said thank you, man, because I don't even know who he is.
Yeah, no. He said he'd heard of you and looked at your YouTube stuff, but didn't know about it. But he said as an option.
Yeah,
and
well, that's
it
cool
was
because
great.
I've had that happen before. Where they say, yeah, the sanding guy said call you, and I never heard of these guys, so I'm doing something right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Corey.
Yeah, absolutely.
All righty. All right, guys.
This looks so much better.
Yes, sir.
I mean, it looks new.
Oh, okay, there we go. I'll let you say that.
Yeah, that section over there obviously looks like it's been retouched, but that's great.
Thank you, Corey. Thank you. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it. We're going to go enjoy the rest of our weekend. We'll be back at it Monday. Monday, we have a wax removal, screen and recoat, 2 consultations. See you in the next one. This came out really good.